Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make logo on Kittl. The first thing you want to do is create an account if you don't have one as yet. So you can go onto kittl.com and you can sign up for free, or I'll be leaving a link in the description that you can use to get started. Once you're signed up, you'll be redirected to a dashboard like this. And you have two options. You can either go over to the top left hand corner and hover over templates and select logos, or you can simply tap on the search bar and search for templates and type in logo, or we could tap on logos right here. After you have done that, you will see different templates that you can choose from. Keep in mind you can also use their AI feature to create a logo if you want. Now let's say for example's sake we were to select this logo. After selecting the logo, you'll be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you'll now be able to customize it. And as I was saying earlier, you can also use their AI feature by going over to the left-hand column. You could tap on generate logos and you could generate a logo, or you could tap on the search bar and you could type in the type of logo that you want. So let's say for example, streetwear logos, and you can see different options right there. So if you would like to make some changes, you can tap on the current logo image that is there. Then you could go over to the right hand column. From there, you could change the color. So you could change the color as you can see right there. Or you could simply delete this overall and upload your own logo. You can also tap on the text that is there and you could change the text style by going over to the right hand column right here. You can change the text style or you can change the text overall. So for example, let's say I were to change the text and I were to type in Jason right there. After doing that, you could also scroll down, and if you would like to add an element, you can go over to the left hand column, tap on elements. Then from there you can see different elements that you can add, or you can simply search for an element. Once you're finished and it is to your liking, you're going to tap on download in the top right hand corner. And then from there you can tap on download and you'll be able to download your logo. So if I were to tap on view, you can see how the logo looks. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button.